Welcome back to a new episode of Bobby and John. Today, we are going to be exploring John's new formula. According to John, with this step-by-step tutorial, you can be, and actually 3 times faster than you have actually been. It might take a while for me to get the stuff out to get the formula. This might look like a hula hoop, but is actually in the formula. It might start changing colors, and then when it gets filled into the color of red, that's when we eat it, and eat it one by one. So that's how we get the formula. Now, it's time to eat it. I might have a hole in my face, but that's just a process. We can just add a little bit of red juice, and then it will turn a little bit weird, but you'll fix by next episode. Now, we need to put the triangle thing on her head. To make it work, we might need to do it over again. I didn't know it was actually going to be green. Since it's way more bigger than the last one, it might look way more heavier, and it would hurt my head. Don't worry, it's actually not. This is so cool. It's actually working on going 3 times faster. Make sure to stay tuned for the next episode, and thank you a lot for John for making this happen.